Ligirali nigo togochaka kurwa ase ensemo iyama ayonyara kabakane kiwalit kulia lero egeti gesukuru iyaba munda ya Cardinal Otunga Mosocho Kenya gusara wa monekyo Kenya ayo anyara kabakane gochensa mecho asanyara kabaka kurawa President w'ikyombe ya Athletics Kenya Getembe oyo nyara kabaka kwane kebuna ninge merobelionsi yegenre kwane kiabuna en sector yechikosoli konyara wire koba gigokina naboigo aba bosoria au kuba muno abamenyeki kwanyorera engeli yabo kurwase emirimo yabo tambe robot yoruo nigo rwaleganirwa no mulikito Morini Siango
Koria rero nigo amaminyoko a Kenya yomanikantobna Athletics Kenya korekana imegeti gesukuru yaba muri ya Cardinal Otunga hiyo rasensemo ya Mosocho sentunda ya gatanu na rimo
Kitutu chache ambapo ni Kisii County. Mbio hii inaendelea ambapo tunasema ni 6 km under 20. Kumbuka mashindano haya
abanyangongo au kurwa sense ya Kenya ama na South Sudan baikira negati yo monyoke ya tokurwa sorgongo rwa gusiyo yomanikante buna Mary Mora nigo boigo monyakero go maminyoko ase region ya Nyanza South uyo manikante buna Peter Angwenyi ya nyarako bagakoro kyo kiwoko nene asate babuna nigo amameranio onsi yejirijono sara cyo korekana ase egeti ekyogi ya Cardinal Otunga Mosocho megwa yo kwegwali bagano mo principal bw'esukuru yo yabamara ya Cardinal Otunga
want to make a number requests, Mr. President, that we make this an annual event. Thank you very much and welcome.
Nigo umurai wa maminyoko imensi ya Kenya no mokonyo yabaikira na sama merani ayo asumurai yo monene uyo manikante buna jaka tuwela arugo kulero konene kutia sabantu bonsi bali aba gutumeka chinchera cyobokora na gutumeka masakara yobokora eliko elikia sate banigo barachegwa ko isiko sama merani ayo kero barachye nyoro gose barachye shughulikero.
It's about the young talents or the young athletes, the young runners below 20. Yesterday, when we were going through the documentation here and so forth and so on, we still identified a few who do not have the correct documentation. And it is impossible for you to run if you are going to have different documents in terms of who you are, what you are, and so forth and so on. And this is called age cheating. Now, those of you who want to continue with this kind of thing, I can assure you with you.
Nigo kegima abuli abantu bonsi konyara koba maisokero ya ikiritinga kicho kwelikia asate banigo ebwendete abantu kwelikia litukeli mogose amatukabere magayeli tukoli amamerania yo koikerana.
The rule requires that everybody who is going to run must register a day or 2 days before the event, not during the day of the event. So let us get it right. Let us get it right. Nobody, no athlete will be allowed to run if he or she has not registered a day or 2 days before. You will not be allowed to run when you have not registered. So let's get it right, because I know there are a few teams and individuals who have been disqualified because they did not register.
Nabo igo kurwa sensemo ya basubati yechi kilomita 10 nigo musubati Gladys kwamboka kurwa sorongorwa gusenyorero bubuibwa ya saira libagali ya gatatu nabo igasoro kiyoko kiwo kwa ina gote abuna nigo kegimara chiko yaligania guchigoswa sama meranio aliaroberie a Tokyo.
Nimeshukuru sana kwa kumaliza nambari ya 3. Leo haijakuwa rahisi lakini